Hello! What is going on and what does it mean for you? What's going on is the market is not going anywhere really. Look what's happening since April and where we are now. In April, we were around 4,200. We're back down to 40,000, 4,000. We're from up from 3,600. But basically, on one hand, what do you have? The Fed saying, maybe I raise, maybe I don't. And on the other end, you're saying, hey, but the economy is doing great and everybody's got a job. What is going to win? Is going to do what? That is the question. That is what you need to focus on. But do you truly believe that this market is running on fume, just waiting for the Fed to decide whether or not they're going to raise rates? Don't they know what's going on? Don't we know that maybe the Fed is not so independent and is starting to fickle a little bit? Because theoretically, with such an unemployment rate at 3.7%, this is still strong, you should do 75 basis points and keep at it. But if they don't, they're going to lose momentum and credibility. But maybe it's too late. Maybe the market is already going to get hurt because wait until you start to see EPS hitting in the first quarter of next year. So be careful.